Hello everybody, I'm back in Vancouver. It's July 2026 and I am going to give you an update on the Vancouver Palms down at the English Bay. And as you can see, it's a sunny, nice day today, about 24-25 degrees Celsius. Let's walk around the area and have a look. These palms are getting really big now. They are towering. Trachycarpus fortunei palms. As you can see, they are lined up all the way down with the boardwalk. And here it was a really mild winter in Vancouver this previous winter, so much of the foliage from last year is good and green. That makes a lush appearance. I'm going to walk down there in a second. Just gonna show you a few things here. These palm trees are producing seeds, of course, and they are dropping to the ground. And here you can see seedlings popping up everywhere. A lot of Trachycarpus seedlings. Got some musabasho in there as well. And over here you got some nice agave americana. More agaves down here. This is a variegated one and the classic blue one. Check out the scenery down here. Beautiful. Trachycarpus fortunei lined up along the English Bay beach. Nice flowers here too. The city is doing a really good job creating this beautiful environment down here by the beach. Over here are some big trackies too. Vancouver has a very mild climate, mild winters. That's why these palms can grow here without any protection, and they have been growing like this for years, decades I believe. I think the first ones were planted in the 90s or early 2000s, maybe 80s, who knows? A lot of seeds up there. Vancouver is a very palmy town, palmy city. There are thousands of palm trees around, mostly Trachycarpus fortunei. But okay, that was all for today. I'm checking out with this beautiful photo. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit like and comment. Alright, see ya. Bye.